Welcome to the next session, scheduler configuration. So scheduling concept is going to be most interesting and important in any automation because once you complete the development part, now the process or project will be in the phase of scheduling concept. As soon as you complete your development, now the process should go into the scheduling mode because it should not wait for any human user or business user to trigger the process on daily basis. So what is scheduler in BP? The scheduler allows Blue Prism to execute the process at specified time and repeat the execution at various intervals. The scheduler is a background process which waits for the next schedule activation to get triggered. So this is nothing but scheduler is going to trigger your process based on the time intervals or the time which user has defined in the BP calendar. So the schedules can be configured at once or you can use a repeated timely, hourly, monthly, weekly or yearly intervals as well. In addition to that, you have a concept called calendar where you can customize the number of days where it need to run. For example, if it need to run only Monday to Friday and it should not run on Saturday, Sunday, you can define it as weekends only so that it will not run in the weekends. So this is how you have options to configure your intervals and your date and time when it need to run and the calendar which day or which public holiday or something if you want to left out, you can configure that. So coming up next, we are going to see more in detail about how to configure the scheduler and how to use the process scheduling concepts. So see you in the upcoming sessions.